Pleasant good morning. And how are you, people? And
How are you?
you?
How are you? Monday, June 28th,
And
2021. Nice and sunny. I bet you it's hotter here than it is where you are right now.
uh, yeah, it's overcast and the thunders are rolling like literally right now. Literally rolling. Like
Okay.
it's about to, pour all over us. But hey, here we are. You are an attorney. I am a businessman. We're here on this radio station called 93.5 WVIP FM, Facebook, and also, of course, on YouTube, respectively, your channels and my channels. And we're here. So what's cooking, man? What do you want to talk about? And tell the folks who you are, man. I like that, okay? As I ask everybody, please, on Facebook, on YouTube, to follow, subscribe, and so forth. So, let's just tell the folks who you are, Adam, before we bring in our guest. All right?
Absolutely. My name is Adam Handler. I am your case handler. I'm an attorney, a personal injury attorney. I've been practicing for over 17 years, third generation. I've been on this radio station for 16 years, and that line you just gave reminded me of that Jay-Z line. I'm not a businessman, I'm a businessman, and that's what I am. I'm in the business of getting you top dollar. If, God forbid, you're ever in an accident, fighting for you like family, fighting to make sure that we get it right the first time, because there are no redos when it comes to personal injury. It's what I love to do, and I feel like I'm very, very good at it. And if I wasn't, I wouldn't have gorgeous, gorgeous ladies coming on my show, telling me, how they felt we treated her during that case. And, Squeeze, I've said this for quite some time now, that there are a lot of attorneys out there that are telling you how good they are. Mm-hmm. I'm showing you how great I am. And I'm showing you by giving you true life success stories, real life examples, real people that had real accidents, real injuries, and had a real result at the end. And I'm thrilled to do it. Really, it is the people that makes this the best part of my job. Yes, being an attorney can be very lucrative, and you can provide for your family, in a very special way. But when you can help other people doing it, when you can make that connection and have people rely on you and count on you, and you deliver for them, Squeeze, I swear it is the best feeling possible. It really, really is.
Absolutely. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, if you are watching us on Facebook, we are live also on 93.5 WVIP FM. The show is called Cruising with the Case Handler. It's a personal injury law show hosted by yours truly, David Squeeze ANNAKIE, and of course, the beast, the shark, the hot stepper, the case handler, Adam Handler. All right. So we're going to put a twist on the show right now because I can. All right. So Adam, chill out for a minute, man. I see a beautiful woman, a stunning woman on the show this morning. For those of you who are not watching Facebook, you should jump on if I were you. Pull over the car. Don't want any accidents. Okay. Adam deal with so many of those on a daily basis. But you should actually get on Facebook, his channel, The Case Handler, on my channel, David Squeeze ANNAKIE, and you'll see a beautiful lady. Her name is Chastity. Is that your name?
Yes. Hello.
Chastity, welcome to the show, Cruising with the Case Handler. Can you please tell me, okay, other than the part that you are beautiful and I'm quite sure intelligent because you chose the case handler, all right, and more, why are you on the show? What's going on?
I'm just here to tell everybody how good Adam is and how great he is at what he does, and to talk about my experience.
Okay, tell me a little bit about your experience before I allow him to speak, because he likes to holler all the time, He should just stick to being an excellent personal injury attorney and get people a lot of money. He should just stick to that, leave the broadcasting to people like me and you. So tell me, how was your experience? How did you learn about him? What transpired? What happened? Tell me.
Okay, so my dad actually recommended him to me.
Uh-huh.
And I was like, I didn't know anything about accident cases or nothing.
Right.
So when he told me, hey, you got to call this guy Adam. He's amazing. He's great. I'm just like, oh gosh, do I really need to do a case on this? He was like, yes. So I contacted Adam or whatever. He didn't waste no time. Immediately we did a consultation, and immediately he took me in as his client. I did I went to do the therapies and stuff. And I got a little discouraged because I'm like, oh, am I like really going to win? Like, what's going on? And Adam would say, like, I'm not gonna stop fighting for you. We're gonna make sure we get you everything you deserve or whatever. And when they gave him like the first offer, I'm like, oh gosh, like what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen?
Do you want to tell us
And
what the first offer was?
No,
um,
we're not going to talk about the money on this show, but
Oh, okay, okay.
I can tell you that it was an insult.
Oh, okay. I like that. You're such a lawyer, man. It was an insult. I like
It
that.
was.
Yeah.
We got to protect her.
Okay,
Yes.
good,
Okay.
good, good.
So
All right.
yeah, it was an insult.
I like that.
And I was like what now? Like what now or whatever. And then surprisingly, like, I kept going, listening to Adam, kept going, doing my treatments and stuff. And he was like, I'm not gonna give up, I'm not gonna give up. And he didn't, and he got me the best possible outcome that he can get. Like
The full policy.
the full
The full amount of the
amount.
insurance policy.
The full amount.
Yeah. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, we are speaking with Chastity right now, live on 93.5 WVIP FM and multiple social media handles. So Facebook viewers, YouTube viewers, and we're talking about a man that really helped a lady. And that's Adam Handler. That man happens to be a third generation attorney. That man is the most powerful personal injury attorney, period, in my opinion. He doesn't like to accept that. He's so modest, but sometimes I feel like kicking his ass because he doesn't want to. Because he's the top man. He's good. I mean, listen to this lady tell you about what Adam Handler did for her. She doesn't want to mention the money. So you all know what that means. That means you should choose Adam Handler. When you see people don't want to mention the money, come on, people. You think some other lawyer on this station, off the station, around the nation, on billboards, on TV, wherever can do what Adam Handler does? No. So I tell you what, let me allow him to tell us a little bit more about the case and also give you reasons to call 844-774-3529. Note the number 2 more times, 844-774-3529. And make sure you text it to someone, share this link, and let them know the man is here. Adam.
Absolutely, my friend. And thank you so much, Chastity, for being on. She made it really easy for me. The reason why is because she was so attentive and responsive. It's really, listen, you can be a great lawyer, but if your client isn't as helpful as you'd like, it can make things a little more difficult. And every single time I would call, she would pick up. Every time I would text, she would respond. Every time I would email, she would respond, and vice versa. I'm sure, Chastity, you'll be able to say that you sent me an email and I would respond within a minute. I mean, there was never a time where you were trying to get in touch with me and you didn't know what was going on. I can guarantee that. And that's what made for a great case. And I can actually show some photographs of her vehicle. This was a case against Geico. Typical fashion with insurance companies, just lowballing, not wanting to pay the big money. But you can see the back end is all smashed in, the windows broken on the side. You can see that right there, Squeezing. Maybe you can describe for the listeners what you're seeing.
Absolutely. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, we're live on Facebook if you'd like to see what it is that we're talking about. We're also live on 93.5 WVIP FM with Adam Handler and one of our true success story. And we're looking at a super torn up vehicle here. The back of it is like, whoa, this was a rear end accident, Adam?
Yeah. Did they total out your vehicle, Chastity? Was it totaled?
Yeah, they did.
Yeah, it was totaled.
Obviously and evidently, they would need to total this vehicle. I mean, wow, look at this, man. This is nuts. The back of the vehicle is all smashed in, the lower part, ladies and gentlemen. I can imagine your injuries, Chastity.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm very happy you went to Adam because he is extremely passionate when people get hurt. But by the way, ladies and gentlemen, even the door of the vehicle can't even look like it can't even be closed.
No, it couldn't.
Wow.
And you know what? Geico, listen, these insurance companies, they see so many of these cases, and they call them, soft tissue cases, in which there's no broken bones, there's no surgery, no cuts and lacerations on your body. It's really just, strains and sprains and problems maybe with your vertebrae, but they call it soft tissue cases, and they see 1 million of these. And they pay or they try to pay a couple of $1,000s, and a lot of lawyers take it because a lot of lawyers know there's really not a huge upside. This is not a case where a jury is going to give $1 million. So is it worth the lawyer's time? They'd rather just settle your case and move on to another case that may make them more money. But that's not how we do it here. Every case is an important case. Every case is treated like it's our highest priority, and when you do that, Squeeze, you will get the best possible results. A lot of lawyers out there, like I said, are telling you how good they are. I am showing you, ladies and gentlemen, how great I am. I'm the longest running personal injury attorney on this station, the longest running attorney on this station altogether, and it's with good reason. Is because I really do strive for excellence. I really make sure that my reputation stays where it is as the top personal injury attorney in New York City, the most celebrated attorney on 93.5 FM. And with people like Chastity, it just makes it such a great pleasure, Squeeze, because this is a real person that had never you never expected to get into this accident that day. And that's the thing about accidents. You can never prepare for the accident. You can prepare for your response. And although she wasn't prepared, her father was. And I thank him for listening to this show. And that's why, I've represented your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, your uncle, your pastor. And the most important endorsement should come from those real people that got into the accident and needed my help. That is the best possible endorsement that any attorney on this radio station can receive.
Wonderful. Ladies and gentlemen, Adam Handler. He's on the stage. Man, listen, man.
I'm a businessman.
Hey, but listen, I am a businessman. You know that. And of course, Chastity, I'm going to let you have the final words as far as the testimony is concerned on this show. If you had to give a paragraph on Adam Handler to everyone that's listening to 93.5 WVIP and also on Facebook, what would you say?
I would say definitely trust Adam. Like the man does his job. Like, you can talk to him, tell him, he stays in contact. He's very responsive. You will never be left out of the loop. Never. If you need something, if he needs to know something new about your case, you're gonna know. You know what I'm saying? He's amazing.
He's amazing. You hear that? I'm quite sure he loved those words. He's amazing.
That is, the highest compliment that anybody can give. And I don't do it for the compliments. I do it because I feel good knowing that justice was served. And in New York and in New Jersey and in the United States, justice is served in a personal injury case when you're able to get your client the monetary compensation they deserve.
Thank you so much, Chastity. Thank you so much, Adam Handler. Thank you so much, listeners, viewers. Thank you so much, my marketing peeps behind the scene, the Rudies and the Alley. We are getting the message out. And ladies and gentlemen, what you can do for us right now as you listen to this, okay, is to actually share what it is that you're watching via Facebook or YouTube or whatever social media platform. The man is a powerful man. His name is Adam Handler. I am David Squeeze ANNAKIE, and I fully endorse him. And I want all the listeners on 93.5 WVIP FM. There are 24 hours of radio on this station, and Adam is not on all 24. However, what you can do, well, he is pretty much for the most part because he's at the top of the hour too. But what you can do for us, you can actually also share the number with as many friends as possible. Text it to them and say, hey, decisions are made when an individual can prove and show what they're capable of. And that's what Adam Handler does each and every single day. He shows you. It's not about telling. It's about showing you. Others tell, he shows, he demonstrates. And that's the reason why Chastity is with him and is very happy. Thank you all so much for watching. Let's give out the phone number multiple times. 844-774-3529. Text it right now to someone. Call Adam Handler. Show him that you're actually storing your number by letting the phone ring for 15 seconds. 844-774-3529. Call him now. That's 844-PPIDLAW. 844-774-3529. Let's do it 2 more times. 844-PPID-LAW. That's 844-774-3529. Thank you so much, Adam Handler.
Thank you so much. And for those listening on 93.5 FM, thank you, thank you, thank you. If you can go one step further, check out the Case Handler on Instagram. Check out the Case Handler on Facebook. See with your own very eyes, what we're able to do here for our very, very special clients. And we're very proud of our body of work. And thank you so much, please, for your endorsement. Chastity, you did not have to come on today. I'm sure you have better things to do, but the fact that you're here with us just means the world to me. So thank you, thank you, thank you, my friend.
No problem.
Okay, prior results do not guarantee similar outcome. And of course, this has been an attorney advertisement. Thank you so much all for watching. Please share. And also, of course, tell someone about the phone number and Adam Handler, 844-PPID-LAW. Have an amazing day.